Well, hello and good morning to my morning market update. And the big news overnight, well, the Dow was down 220 points. Our market expected to open up 14 points lower as well. I think that will change over the course of the day. Aussie dollar is up 66.19 US cents, but probably the most interesting news was the fact that US producer prices actually fell. So inflation in the US is not a bigger issue as we might have thought. And so it means that the Federal Reserve now can focus on the labour market, which is looking soft, and guarantees pretty well that there will be a rate cut sometime later this month when the Fed meets. And a 0.5% cut is a chance, given the fact that the economy is slowing. But even a bigger piece of news, this is a news flash, Elon Musk is no longer the richest man in the world. So who is the richest man in the world? None other than Larry Ellison, the founder of Oracle. Of course, Oracle is a software and computer cloud company. And like most of these tech companies, they've reported, and AI is really helping their bottom line. Now, get this, Larry is made 110 billion US dollars overnight. So while we were sleeping, he grew his wealth by $110 billion. Now, how did he do it? He's actually kept a large chunk of Oracle. He's over 40% a holding of the shares of Oracle. And this compares to other well-known tech people like Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook or Meta. He's only got 13.5% of the company. And look at Bill Gates of Microsoft. He's only got 1.34% of his company. Now, what Ellison's basically done is he's borrowed against these assets, the 40% of Oracle. He's been criticized in the past as that being a risky strategy, but it's all been tax deductible, and the value and the quality of the assets have gone up. So it's been a very good strategy for him, and that's why he's got so wealthy overnight. And he now is worth $394 billion, according to CNBC, where poor old Elon has only got $391 billion. The battle of the billionaires should be very, very interesting. Up ahead, we're waiting for the CPI to come out in the US, but given that CPI will be pretty good. So once again, it's really great for the stock market when you see these great companies doing so well via AI. Then you've got lower interest rates coming. It's all very good for the stock market right now, and it probably will keep this rally going until there's some big question mark over the AI. That's me now. It's raining too hard for a walk, so I'm going to dive into the garage and jump on my Nordic track bike and knock a few kilometres over before going to work. Thanks for joining me. Talk to you tomorrow.